Hello everyone. So we're starting new Pega Mastery program from July 31st. That is this month end. And timings of this is like Monday to Friday morning 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. IST. So considering working people in the mind, so we're trying to start one batch in these timings. And if you are currently working in Pega, or maybe if you are already trained in Pega, and if you are facing any challenges in implementing one requirement, or maybe if you are facing any challenge in doing some user story, then you are straight away good to join this program. Where in this program will make you analyze completely from zero to advanced level. This is not just analyzing every user story, whatever you get on daily basis in your real time, will make you to analyze and will make you to work here itself. This is like one unique program where you will not see it, and this program will contain 400 plus user stories including all CWSA level concepts, starting from application creation to the last concepts of Kafka, everything in terms of integrations, maybe exceptional handlings, maybe Kafka related part, job schedulers, queue processors, listeners, external database part, whatever. So everything where you wanted to go like 5 years experienced, you can straight away be confident enough. So that is like open challenge what we are giving it. And every user story as like a real business analyst will make you to understand, and you as a developer how to understand it, and what are the different rules to be used. So what is the best rule to be used, and what you should avoid, everything will try to make you analyze, and will make you to sit here and will make you to practice, will make you to do it right away. In between whatever the challenges you face, so or wherever the things you are struck up, we'll fix it right then and there. Along with that, so we'll be having like practice sessions also. So 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. is like live session what we have happen, what is happening here. And rest of the time also, if you are having enough time, you can sit for the whole day, you can practice it. For every user story, so we'll provide you the documented of that, and we'll provide you the video solution of it, but this is meant for only offline. So people who are enrolling so should daily come to offline classes. Why? Because managing this program in online is like challenge for us. So wherever you stuck in between, or if you face any challenge, it is not that easy to analyze, and it's not that easy to fix it then and there. That is the reason. So requesting everyone whoever is interested, so kindly bear for next 2 months, and no doubt you'll get back, or no doubt you'll go back like in best with the best result. That is our open challenge, 100% real time and 100% satisfaction guaranteed. So if you are okay, or if you are really interested with the timings and everything, then you can simply WhatsApp on this number. So we'll guide you further details. Thank you.